The first step is to look to the top right of your screen and click the gear icon. Then select Setup. Then, on the left-hand side search bar, type App Manager. After that, click on App Manager from the results. Now look to the top right corner and click the New Lightning App button. Nice work so far. Now let's go step by step through the App Creation Wizard. Here's what to enter. App name, Book Tracker App. The developer name will autofill as book_tracker_app. You can leave that as is. Description: an app to manage books, authors, and reviews. Branding options: you can upload an app logo now or leave it for later. Pick an app color, maybe blue or green to keep it visually appealing. When ready, click Next. Here, just leave the default settings for app options. App type, standard navigation. Setup experience, setup. Keep the full set of setup options. Click Next again. We won't use the utility bar in this beginner app, so you can click Next to skip it. Now it's time to choose what will show up in the top navigation bar of your app. You won't see your custom objects like book or author yet because we haven't created them, but you can add placeholders for now. Under Available Items, add Home, Reports, Dashboards. Use the arrow to move them into the Selected Items area. These will appear as tabs in your app. Click Next. You'll now choose who can access this app. For now, in the user profiles, just pick System Administrator. Click Save and Finish. And that's it. You've officially created your Book Tracker app.